what is up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing the new Animal Hospital update. I love this game, bro. And so the reason I'm not posting Danny's World videos or just a lot of videos in general is because I just really need a break, guys. So I'm gonna make like a couple videos. I'm gonna pre-record them, but in July I will try to take off the break, maybe like mid-July. Mid-July, like July 12th to July 17th, I will come back and I will be posting everyday videos for y'all, or at least I'll try to. Alright, anyways, we are going to see the new update. Wrathu has some lore, and I have no idea what anything else is. Come in, guys, I need help. Come in. Yeah, Michael Jackson. Alright, we need one more guy. Come on, get in. Okay, good. Thank you. Jesus. So I think Michael Jackson had like the highest. Should be like shift 5 as his highest. Wait for visitors. I'm waiting. What took you so long? All right. Hey, close the door on me. Boop, boop, boop. We need this for Barney. I want to see like the Barney thing. I have an appointment. Well, duh. Bang. Oh yeah, the first things that they need is herbs and eye drops. That's what I learned from my friend in the last video. Go watch it, buddy. Yeah, guys, it's a really good video. I hope you watch it, and I spent a lot of time on it. No kidding, I only spent like 2 hours on it. Anyway, go watch that video before this video. That video has my friend in it, but this one does not, sadly. Hip-hop! Herbs, eye drops. Take the badge. Yup. Yeah. Alright, room 1. Yeah. I think the first thing they usually have is herbs. Because if I'm correct, then I'm going to start using the herbs from now on. I hope I can get out of here soon. Man, shut up! I better get best employee. Come on, come here. Hey! Oh. Dang, bro. They said room 1. I was in room 2. Yeah. But why is my game lagging? Please, bro. Why is my game lagging? Oh. I already have herbs, so let's put them. I can't give them herbs. Oh, dang. Alright, so from now on, first time I treat somebody, I'm gonna give them herbs. Are they myths-real? No, bro, we just take care of you. What do you mean, are the myths real? Like, myths are not real. They are conspiracy theories, okay? Excuse me. Can you stop T-posing? This is mine. I'm getting the best, not you. I already have eye drops. See? I'm the best. No. Don't even waste your breath or waste your time. I don't know. Yeah, I told... Skip the dialogues. That's what I put. Oh, wait. I said everybody needed to have shift 4 or higher as their highest to do that. You must be a new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Yeah? So, guys, just keep working. Who do you think you are, sir? Who do you think you are? Get out. Get out of my hospital. Open the shutters. Open the shutters! What are you doing? Oh. My bad, guys. My bad. It's a head twitcher. Oh, my God. Close it. No. What are you doing? Stop. Close the doors, gosh darn it. Close the doors. Finally, geez, bro. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten in a lobby with these guys. I'm leaving. Okay. Michael Jackson. Stop closing the shutters. That's not gonna work. Give him coffee. Here. Stop. Bro, move. Yeah, you go wait for Jenny. Coffee. Alright. Go. Room 3. Cool. I don't trust you, buddy. I'll take care of this part. I really don't care about best shift or best employee until unless if it's like shift 1. I really don't care. Name's Ron from accounting. You ever wonder why they keep hiring new people? No. Alright, it's 1:14 left. Never mind. Stamp. Camera. Register. He's never an anomaly, I don't think. I don't think he's ever an anomaly. Hey, man. Come on. Room 5. Okay. Well, I got this one. You two. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nope. No. Yup. He's a head twitcher and no wire. Alright, he's leaving. Yes, he's leaving. Guys, there's this new strategy. When you're solo, you just, like, check in everybody, like, for the shift, because there's, like, this TV there. It's like... Bro, what are you doing? You idiots, what are you doing? Oh, my goodness. Holy... Close the door behind you. Just close the door, that guy. Bye-bye. Hero Hopper. I want to check in as a patient. Alright, come on. Alright, I'm going to treat the remaining patients now. Actually not. Hello there. Hello there, sir. Hello there. Just saw that creepy smile, mate. Yeah, mate, yeah. Bro, get the eye drops. He's been here for, like, so long. Get the goddamn eye drops. Yeah, dang. You're slow. He doesn't need them anymore. Dummy. What are you doing? Ouch. I get why you're high is this shift too, buddy. Bro, why is everybody in here? Alright, cough syrup. You idiot! Warlocker! What are you doing? What are you doing? Bro! Warlocker! You're dumb. What are you doing? I'm just trying to see this new update. You actual idiot. You killed Ron. What are you doing? I think he's hacking, guys. I think he's speed hacking. Yup, he's speed hacking. Guys, we have a hacker on our hands. The shop is open. Yep. The shop is open. Critical, that's like the lowest, and I was still the best. Oh my goodness, you guys suck. I'm leaving. Anyways, I'm gonna be taking care of everybody. Dot. That's not a good start. Bye-bye. No. Open. Quick. Alright, go. Do the stuff. Bro, just having a fight over the door. Wait, who keeps taking all the coffee? Alright, I got this one. I have Warlock left. Yes, Warlock left. Let's go. W leaving. Not W Warlock, because I hate him. He's so annoying, bro. Alright, come on. And you close the door behind you, man. Alright, anyways, hurry up. I'm downloading Minecraft right now. I'm downloading Minecraft. Gangsters. Man, could brown chicken. Wow. Ivy drops, cough drops. Not cough syrup. Ivy and cough. Bro, y'all know those cough drops? They taste like so good, bro. You gotta like fake cough. Like, bro, I remember like during 2020, like I used to like I never used to like take cough drops that much, but like when I did, they tasted so good. There was one that's like maple syrup flavored, I think. I don't know. It tasted like maple syrup. That's the closest thing I ever had to maple syrup. It tasted so good. I never had maple syrup, guys. What? Literally, why? Why? There has to be a death ritual. There literally has to be a death ritual. That's nice. Thank you. Who is not taking care of Ron? Oh, more coffee. Yeah, I need some coffee after losing all that sanity. I'm gonna save one for Barney though. Not a good start. Bye bye. No, open. Why would you do that? I don't like when it flickers. Okay, this is actually so crazy. Sorry. Go. Room 3. Bet. How much people do we have left? Oh, yeah. Your eyes are creepy. I don't like your eyes. I really don't like your eyes. Dude, I really don't like your eyes. Alright, go. Hurry up. You're wasting my time. You're wasting my time, buckaroo. Now, come on, mate. Because I've had thunder and rain and literally I've had thunder and pouring rain twice today. Yay! Oh. Bye-bye. So, he just did like a little like slow turnaround. It's like, yeah. Alright, room 6. Oh, he's already doing herbs, cough, syrup, and ivy.
I got that demon in me. I cannot be contained.
Herbs and ivy. I hate the doctor, guys. I actually hate the doctor. Get out! Get up! Can y'all get out my hospital? I really don't like scaring away the customers. Get out my hospital! Bro, I don't want to buy this gosh darn chocolate like this.
Yay, I got a taser.
What, you got a problem? Why would you close the shooters? Oh, Barney! Yep, don't worry. I got you, dude. I got you. I got the coffee for you. Don't worry. I got you. I was waiting for you, dude. Yeah, I was waiting for you. Stop it. Don't worry. I got you, man. I'm just trying to get this Barney case, bro. Or, like, this Barney stuff. So I can see, like, Officer Duckman and all this stuff. These people are horrible at their jobs. I would probably do... Well, okay. Why y'all at the cameras? I'm tasing y'all. Oh. I can taser people? What? I didn't know I could taser people. No, what are you doing? What is wrong with them? No, 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 stop. Y'all are so dumb. Now, have you ever heard of stop, drop, and roll, little bro? Bro, you're way too late, buddy. And put the fire extinguisher down. Bruh. A fire started in room 7! I'll be serious. Yeah, that's just great. That's great. Oh. Great, buds. Bro, if only we had the fire extinguisher. Oh, wait. Somebody's using it and not helping us. Who knows what the people at the counter are doing? Who knows? Oh, my gosh. I just closed the door on you. Room 7. Yeah, the room that just got set on fire. Great idea, sis! I had no idea you could tase animals. Yeah, next time they do something stupid, I'm tasing them. Like, I'm not even joking. I will tase them to death if I have to. I don't care if I lose sanity. It's just -2. It's not that big of a deal. What if I drink, like, 10... Like, what if I get only 10 sanity from the coffee, and then I, like, give, like, if Barney comes, then I give him the last 5%. Would he like that? Alright, I'm gonna try. But just in case, well, I really hope Barney doesn't come in the next 161 seconds. So, say to Kobayashi. I'm here for my point. Bro, I had trouble pronouncing that. I got room 4. Yep, of course you do. Hi, sir. Hey, are you gonna ignore me? I have ointment. I have a taser. The taser's recharged. Hold on. Let's go skirt around me, people. Where are they? 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 Where? Aw, there's only one other guy. It's Michael Jackson. Hey, Michael, come back. Michael. I'm gonna tase him. What? Oh, I didn't mean to taser them. Oops. I didn't mean to taser them. I'm gonna taser the other guy. What the heck? Up. Nope. Whoopsies. What do you want? Stop ringing the gosh darn bell. So how was your guys' day? Hello? My name is Red Black. Bro, literally what is wrong with them? Stop. That's what you get for... No, stop. What are you doing? What? They want me to look at the camera? I know it. I literally know it. Alright, hold on. Let me look at the cameras. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm very sorry. Sorry, dude. Let's see him leave. Ew. That is disgusting. Ew. I'm Aiko Hen. Okay. Bro, I still have this ointment from earlier. Alright, talk. Yup. What room? I will be in room 3. Okay. Anyways, you go deal with the other... I was about to say customers. You go deal with the other patients. I have no idea why I was about to say customers. Is somebody still in room 8? Who is still in room 8? Hold on. I kind of want to kill them on purpose. So, once they tell me to give him IV drop, I'm just going to give him some medicine. Yup. Game over. Game over. Yup. You, come on. Skipping doctor dialogue, because we do not like the doctor. Wait for visitors. Oh, wait, hold on. I need the herbs, and I need the eye drops. Eye drops, herbs. Herbs and eye drops. I have a list. I know, son. I have to. I'm not going to follow them. I'm actually going to wait here. Also, I'm just gonna slurp down coffee. Why you spotty? My name is Luna Acorns. Is this ASMR for you guys? Eye drops. Dang. Alright, up. Oh wait, I got double eye drops. Whoops. Bye bye, buddy. Bye. Oh no, it's the headbanger. No, it's headbanger. No. The coffee is still brewing. Whatever. I'll just take the freaking -20 sanity. I literally do not care. Wait, yeah, I heard that they break the window a little bit. Can they, like, fully break it? Excuse you! Jesus, get out of my hospital! Okay. I'm short. Are you short dick? Register. Okay. I'm gonna talk to you. Hey, dude, how's it going? Thanks, I will be in room 1. Literally nobody asked me. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You better not go and bang on the window. Bye-bye. No. Bro, look at that posture, though. Look at that posture. Bye-bye, bro. Bro just rang the bell once. He just waited for a sec. What? Bang. Room 3. Don't faint on me, okay? Okay. Barney, I already got the coffee, bro. I already know what you about to ask. Oh, yeah, taser. Num. I already know what you about to ask. I got you, bro. I got you. No. I got you. I got you, bro. I got you. A coffee, yep. I got you. Here you go. Bet. Here you go, bud. Yeah. Can you leave? Thank you. Anyways, is that all? Oh man, I have to check in one more patient. Whatever. I'm just gonna treat the people that I need to. I think these are only 1 and 3. Okay. Bang, bong, spadonk. All right, chat. Yeah, chat. On the drops. Bing. Okay, I'm making a recovery. That's nice. Okay. It's door time. No, it's only to do out a little bit, baby. Oh, yes. Okay, we need medicine as well, because I literally forgot. Okay, what happens when you trap? Oh. Dang it. Dang, nabbit. I wonder if you could tase Barney. Like, what does he say? Does he, like, probably say, like, the same thing? Like, I'm getting out of here. I'm tired of waiting. Shit! Oh, yeah, I need this coffee. Hurry up, buddy. Hurry up, brewing. Okay. Bang. Wait, I gotta check the cameras. Okay, you good. I gotta check the image. Oh. Since I'm on mobile, it won't work. See, guys, it won't work when I'm on mobile. Oh, unless if I do that. Dip, whoop, dip. Oh, my alarm. Take. I'm in room 5. Oh, no, that's a sussy room. Guys, we don't like room 5. Oh yeah, Matthew! I forgot that you had lore. Think small. How's its advantages? I hear things. I see things. And so then did this job. Alright, Matthew. Wait, what's your last name? It's just question marks? That's how you tell us your name. I got the real one. Alright, Matthew, come on. Nope! Nope! Bye-bye! I hate that, bro. That, like, reminds me of triphobia. I hate triphobia. There are stories about this place. Yeah, well, not all of them are red. Nope. Bye-bye. Nope. Bye-bye. Nope. Bye-bye. Nope. Bye-bye. Nope. Ew. Disgusting freak. Ew. Bro, why am I getting so much anomalies? I like 3 in a row. Yep. Spoopy. Boop. Bruh. Anyways, got the appointment. You never said you were going to be in room 8. You never said you were going to room 8. You never said that. So I'm going to tase you. Because you are an anomaly. Actually, no. I'm about to kill you. Yep. I think you need a transplant. Told y'all. Noob. Guys, I don't know why I'm being so quiet. I'm just weird. I have no idea. We still have 4 treat remaining patients. Oh. That took so long for the last 4 patients I had to check in. Oh my god. Like the doctor too. I think the doctor's a bad guy. I really don't like the doctor. Plus he like forces us to work as well. For like endless shifts until we die. Until we go insane. Or whatever. Yeah, Barney! I forgot about you. Oh wait, the next shift doesn't happen until yeah. Beans! Herbs! Yay! What? I didn't even notice that the eyes were up there. I was just doing my stuff. Oh wait, I have too much stuff. Alright, there you go. Shabang! I want to taste something. Should I taste the NPC? Oh. Bro, I did not know that would happen. Yo. I had no idea that was gonna happen. What the heck? Yo, brownies. What the heck? I did not know that was gonna happen. Yeah. Band-Aids, med kit, and med. 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 Get med. And if we get med. I wonder if I could taser the other NPC. And I want them to shrivel up and die. Let it die. Let it shrivel up and die. Alright guys, this is probably going to be my last CP before I leave the game. Because I'm going to get a little bored. Yeah, really bored. Pretty bored. Yeah. Very nice. Yep. Eye drops. So, you need some eye drops. So, there you go. Hey, what'd you say? You said something? Huh? Wait, Barney. Oh, wait. I keep forgetting the shift. Ouchies. Actually, no. I am actually gonna keep going until I see Officer Duckman. And I'm probably gonna turn in Barney to the police. Because I want to see what happens. I dropped. Alright, and Maple. Apple. So. Wild anomaly prevented. Control. A taser! I love tasers. NPC spade. But the extra check-in vendor. I don't even have enough for the extra check-in vendor. I'm $7 off. Gimme. Yummy. We did it. Okay. Just because you're not Barney, you get tased. Oh! I didn't know that was a skinwalker. Yowza kablowza. Slurp. Yes, Barney! I guess I just have to get some coffee for him to appear. You know? Just pour some coffee. Oh, wait. Is that always down? When did that get down? Hello, friend. Can I get another coffee? Sure, Barney. It's only because that I'm trying to get this secret ending. You are the best. He's about to ask me to hide his suitcase, right? Yup. Sure, you're not my friend, but can you keep the suitcase? Yeah, I can. Yeah, bro, yeah. Don't open. Alright. You are the best. Yeah. I do not have good vibes from this guy. No. Oh, come on. They just fall over, bro. They still say, I want to check it as a patient. I love tasing people. It's just satisfying, you know? They don't know what's coming to them. No, bye. Subjusta. Harry Nocturne. Take his fire to register. And then we're gonna put it in the box. Is this the right name? Akru Yamsek. Yep, you're my friend, Farney. I really should let you, like, get out for that. Because you being a short. You very short, Emmy. And, yeah. Hold on. I want to tase this NPC. Get out of my hospital. You don't get to reside here. Like, get out. Yep. You could die. Anyways, I'm about to go slurp some coffee after this. So, bang. I'm not going back to that song anyway. A short note. A short. Alright. I'm in room 3. Okay. So, like, bro, this is all like. Oh, wait, there's still people there. Oh. Of course. Oh, dang. Yep, you know that's a bad sign. Bro, what is this stupid white thing? Oh wait, that's just a little like white like plus symbol thing. I am so dumb. You don't need to keep beeping for that. Can you please shut up? Stop pooping on the ground. Please stop pooping on the ground. We're gonna go through 1 through 8, okay? I meant we're gonna go rooms 1 through 8. Yep, there you go. Cough, band, herbs, shoop. What do you mean I can't carry more medicine? Idiots. Noobs. Alright, so you go and recover. Oh, wait, whoops. Man, whatever. Just forget it, bro. Alright, we got rash, so you need some ointment. Bet. Alright, bang. Got room 5. IV drops. That's it. What'd you say? Could you say that louder? What, do you want to share it with the whole class? Oh, I'm waiting, Barney. Oh, Barney. Wait me, Thermo and Maple. Wait. Okay. My singing skills are very horrendous. Very horrendous. Hello? Is anybody there? Bro, people in horror movies are like, hello? Is anybody there? As if the killer would say, yeah, I'm in the kitchen. You want a sandwich? You want a sandwich? Alright. So I'm actually gonna do the roommate surgery by myself. No pressure. Alright. Med. Alright. What else do you need? Computer screen. Transplant. Here. Ew, what is that? That actually like gets me like just grossed out every single time, bro. It kind of looks like a bloody pancake. Alright, so we need IV. We need take your meds. Take your meds, kids. No, don't do that. And we need a transplant. Oh my god, bro. This stupid thing. Why does it say I can't carry more medicine? Oh, that was like the closest call I ever had. 5 seconds only. The doctor, I thought. Oh my god. Why are you freaking out? I'm the one who has to deal with it. Hurry. Come in. Room 3. Now I'm lagging. Stop. Chill. Room 3. Go to room 3, chat. Where's room 3 again? In here. Bro, I'm lagging. I'm freaking lagging. Alright, everyone else is not in emergency? Okay. Okay. Chill out, dude. It's okay. I know. Just chill. Breathe. I know you're about like a minute away from dying, but I just need you to chill and stop pooping on the ground. Anyways, I'm gonna let you just go hawk shoot. Anyways, bang. Okay. Alright, bro. Hurry up. Chop. I got other things to do. Med kit? That's it. Thanks for making my life easy. Alright, good. Nobody in room 4. Wow. Nobody likes room 4, I guess? Dang. But why? The critical patient, of course. Of course, man. And I'm probably gonna die because, like, all the sanity I lose. Chat, I'm genuinely losing my mind because my alarm had to go off, and now now I had to restart my screen recording. Because when your alarm goes off, when you're screen recording, it stops your voice, and that's literally like the main part of my videos, my voice, my little voice. Ointment herbs. Ointment herbs thermo. Ointment herbs thermo. Ointment herbs thermo. Or thermometer. You know what I'm saying, chat? Wrong. Ointment herbs and thermo. Thermo. Guys, it's shift 4. It felt like it's shift 4 forever. I didn't even have to do this stuff. And now my screen recording saved. You're still recovering! You're still recovering! Maybe because I just did. You actually, hold on. No, why? I'm losing sanity by the second. Is Barney back? Cause bro, Marty, I don't think I have any coffee. I need coffee. I need coffee. Gotta crash out. I need enough money for the chocolate. The chocolate. Try to beat your heart, bro. Bing. What if I want to hit the source? What happens, dude? I love clicking buttons, though. I can't stop it, dude. Bang. Let me start it. Oh wait, whoops. Red, blue, pink, red. Red, blue, pink, red. Alright, what do you need? Oh wait, whoops. Alright, we have to collect this. What do you need? What do you need? Ivy drops. Is that it? Thank you. Jeez. This shit is already harder than it needs to be. I just wanted to have this Barney quest done. That's literally it. I just want this Barney quest. I literally just want the Barney quest done. What? There's still 2 patients? Maple syrup, bandage, medkit. Medicine. Maple syrup, bandage, medicine. Just drink the gosh darn coffee. What on earth do you mean? Holy shoot! That scared me so bad. Well, everybody, that's going to be the end of the video. I will see y'all in the next one.